Stop scrolling for a second. These 7 free websites can help you download 4K videos, design graphics, discover AI tools, generate business names, remove photo backgrounds, read websites without distractions, and even generate web code instantly. And the best part? Most people don't know they exist. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Dareful, free 4K stock videos. If you create YouTube videos or presentations, this website will save you hours of searching for footage. Dareful offers completely free 4K stock videos that you can download and use in your projects. Perfect for creators, editors, and content marketers. Quick tutorial. Open your browser and go to dareful.com. Once the website loads, scroll through the categories or use the search bar. For example, let's search for nature. You will immediately see several 4K cinematic clips. Click on any video you like. Then click Download 4K video. That's it. You now have high-quality B-roll footage you can use in your YouTube videos. Simple, free, and powerful. Number 2. Freepik, design resources for creators. If you design thumbnails, social media posts, or presentations, you will love this website. Freepik provides millions of vectors, templates, icons, photos, and graphics. Quick tutorial. Go to freepik.com. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail. Instantly, you will see hundreds of professional thumbnail templates. Click on any template you like, then download it and edit it in tools like Photopea or Photoshop. For example, if you run a tech channel, you can download a textile thumbnail template and customize it in minutes. This can make your videos look much more professional. I'm going to search for free YouTube thumbnail I can edit and download. Watch this sample. I'm not going to use Photopea or Photoshop to edit this. I have found one free YouTube thumbnail. Let me edit with Assistant. Just describe your edit and your thumbnail will be generated instantly. I am going to remove the 2 photos. The text, image not included, replace the word custom YouTube with 7 free websites. Also replace thumbnail, but I can't see the remaining text there. So let's just try. Now is generating. Our thumbnail is ready. Let's view. The second text is not edited, may because of the exclusion of the remaining texts. Download the image. If you are not satisfied, use another editing tool to re-edit. There is free and paid plans on Freepik. Number 3. Toolify AI. Discover powerful AI tools. New AI tools are launched every single day, but finding the best ones can be difficult. That's where Toolify AI comes in. It's a massive directory where you can discover thousands of AI tools for writing, coding, design, marketing, and productivity. Quick tutorial. Open Toolify AI. We are there already. On the homepage, you will see several categories like free tools, products, category ranking, prompt, etc. For example, click Free Tools and search for Image Editor on the search bar. You will see dozens of tools that can generate images, edit photos, or create artwork. Click on Image Editor to see its description and then click Open Site to try it. You can upload your images or scroll down and type or paste your prompt here. Hit Generate and wait for a few seconds. The image will appear instantly. There are numerous free and paid AI tools on Toolify AI. You can enhance, remove background etc. if you want. Finally, download the image. Think of Toolify as Google for AI tools. Number 4. Namelix, AI business name generator. Starting a business or YouTube channel, but struggling to find the perfect name. Namelix uses AI to generate creative brand names in seconds. Quick tutorial. Go to Namelix.com. In the search box, type or paste a keyword. For example, let's paste crazy tech. Add inspirational words like AI website, crazy website, hidden websites, productivity websites. Choose naming style, e.g. professional. Then click Generate. Within seconds, Namelix creates dozens of brand name ideas. Examples might include Technova, Innovex, Surprisio. You can also filter results based on short names, brand style, or creativity level. This is extremely useful for startups and entrepreneurs. Number 5. Remove.Photos. Remove image backgrounds instantly. If you design thumbnails or product images, removing backgrounds can take a lot of time. But Remove.Photos does it automatically using AI. Quick tutorial. Go to Remove.Photos. Click Upload Image. Select a photo from your device. Within seconds, the website removes the entire background. For example, upload a portrait photo. The AI instantly isolates the person and removes the background. You can then download the transparent image and use it in thumbnails or graphics. Fast and extremely useful. Number 6. TechInsights. Read websites without distractions. Sometimes websites are full of ads, pop-ups, and distractions. TechInsights solves this problem. It converts any web page into a clean text-only version. Quick tutorial. Open textinsights.net. Paste the URL of any article or website. Then click TechInsights. Instantly, the website removes all images, ads, and extra elements. What remains is pure readable text. This is perfect for research, studying, or reading long articles faster. Number 7. WebCodeTools. Generate code without coding. If you build websites or landing pages, this tool can save you a lot of time. WebCodeTools provides generators for HTML, CSS, and web components. Quick tutorial. Go to WebCodeTools. You will see different code generators like CSS generators, HTML templates, meta tag generators. For example, click Meta Tag Generator. Enter or paste your website title, description, and keywords. The tool instantly generates the HTML meta tag code you can copy and paste into your website. No coding knowledge required. These websites can seriously improve how you create, design, research, and work online. And the best part? Most of them are completely free. If you enjoy discovering hidden powerful websites like these, make sure to subscribe to NattyTechInsights. More amazing tools are coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.